Today on Mortgage Dictionary, we're going to cover FHA mortgages. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. This is a mortgage that was put in place by the federal government in 1934 to encourage homeownership after the Great Depression. This is a mortgage that requires 3.5% down and is geared towards borrowers who might not have the best credit score. But in certain situations, even if you have good credit, it'd be an option. You have to put 3.5% down payment, and you have to live in the property as your primary residence. Now, this mortgage does allow for a cosigner to help you qualify for the mortgage as well. And you can buy up to 4-unit property as long as you're going to live in one with 3.5% down. Now, there's some caveats to that. If it's more than 2 units, yeah, there's some qualifying equations that go into place. But basically, for someone who has decent to good credit, the minimum FICO score is 580. You can qualify for an FHA mortgage, and it could help you obtain home ownership. So contact me with any questions you have about FHA mortgages. Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Mortgage Dictionary.